ये देखिए ख़वातीनो हज़रात, विंग कमांडर साकिब बहमरा फैशन ज़बान और स्क्वाड्रन शुएब वेन्यू की जाने पड़ रहे हैं। Ladies and gentlemen, give these formations a big round of applause. Ladies and gentlemen, give these formations a big. फॉर्मेशन की क़यादत विंग कमांडर फैसल बख्श कर रहे हैं, जिनके दाएं और बाएं विंग पर स्क्वाड्रन आजम खान और स्क्वाड्रन इमरोज आजम महवे परवाज हैं। इनका नारा है, बुलंदतर है सितारों से इनका गाशाना। ख़वातीनो हज़रात, अब बारी है मिराज लड़ाका तैयारों की। फ्रांसीसी साख के ये तैयारे जो अपने मुनफरिद डेल्टा विंग के बाइस can travel faster than the speed. After making an adjustment turn, you are going to witness high-speed pass of F-16. Ladies and gentlemen, you can now see the pilot pulling up the aircraft. Doing the vertical rolls and disappearing in the blue sky. Give a big round of applause to Wing Commander Zishan Ali Munawwar. From your right this time. The pilot is pulling up for split S. And there you have it. Following the split S, the aircraft will now perform a high. शाही तेरी परवाज़ से चलता है ज़माना, तू बाजुए पर से इसे और Ladies and gentlemen, the aircraft is again performing an adjustment turn.
Now, the aircraft is going to perform a high G alpha pass, and after that it will demonstrate muscle climb, in which the aircraft will climb all by its own power. You can now see the aircraft flying at extremely low speed, performing the high alpha.
From your right this time. The pilot is pulling up for split S. And there you have it. Following the split S, the aircraft will now perform a high.
Ladies and gentlemen, I will take this time to give you a brief history of the eminent SherDil. Please observe the sustained turn rate of K-8 aircraft. During this turn, the pilot is undergoing acceleration of 5 Gs. all this requires utmost fitness, good flying skills, and extreme vigilance of the pilot. Number 8 is now performing a dairy roll.
There's a line running in. Pulling up, now.
This is one of the most demanding maneuvers to execute in a formation, as all the aircraft are continuously rolling, pitching, and yawing. Perform a 6G pull-out from dive.
Pulling up, now.
Ladies and gentlemen, unlike other aerobatic teams of the world, SherDils are the flying instructors of PAF Academy, who perform these air displays in addition to their primary task of imparting flying training.
89, shine brake, now.
There you have it, Shaheen Brake.
Here's the line exiting menu. Here's the smoke on.
Ladies and gentlemen, from your right, SherDils. Number 7 is now pulling up with engine throttle back to idle. He will reduce his speed to 0 in vertical flight, come to a standstill, and let his nose tip over. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, virtually falling out of the sky. High-speed aerobatic.
Lead pulling up, now.
As the 7 aircraft are pulling up with 4 and 7 in double slot, number 8 and 9 will brake inward. Now the 7 aircraft are adjusting for a linear bumpers. Ladies and gentlemen,
Brake, now.
presenting to you the SherDil, soaring the sky, distant and independent. As pleasant as it seems to the naked eye, performing such a maneuver requires death-defying accuracy and perfect skill from the pilot.